Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can edit your dance video with a luminous mirror effect on Capcut. So first, just add your best dance video to Capcut, and after that go straight to the effects and then click on the body effects. And in here, just click on the hallucinations tab and scroll down until you find the luminous mirror effect. But please note that this effects can only be applied or used if you are on the Capcut Pro. So just click on the effect and click on adjust. Here, adjust the intensity, the twist. You can change it whichever you like, and also the amount and glow, like this. Okay, when you're done, just click on a check icon, and this is how the effect will look like on your dance video. Okay everyone, so please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.